Today, we are going to learn about two-way tables. We are used to looking at regular tables, just an XY table, which looks something like this, X, Y, and it's straight down with some numbers. We've plotted points like this. We could find the slope like this. This is the kind of thing we're used to seeing. Okay, right? I'm just making this up as I go. We've also seen tables, still just regular tables, but sometimes they lay them sideways like this. And same thing, you could find the slope, you could find a y-intercept, you could plot the points, all that kind of thing. We are used to doing that. Those are regular tables. What we are looking at today is called a two-way table, which is actually a combination of these two types of tables. So if you look at this table that's on the screen, you'll notice that we have a table going straight up and down right here. There's our table going straight up and down, just like this first one. We also have a table going side to side right here. Whoa, that was a terrible line. Let's try it again. Side to side right here, just like this table below. And what we do is we compare two different variables, and they're usually choices that are one or the other. So for example here, either you like skateboards or you do not like skateboards. You like snowmobiles or you do not like snowmobiles. There's usually one choice or the other. And you can collect information about people or objects or pets or whatever, and put it on a table. So what this table means is, here I'm going to go ahead and clear this page so we can just take a look. This means that there are, of the group that was sampled or asked questions about liking snowboards and skateboards, 80 of all the people like a skateboard and like a snowmobile. 25 of all the people do not like a skateboard, but they do like a snowmobile. There are a total of 105 people who like snowmobiles. Then we can look at these numbers. There are 45 people who like skateboards but do not like snowmobiles. 10 people who do not like skateboards and do not like snowmobiles. And 55 people total who do not like snowmobiles. Over these numbers over at the bottom, there are a total of 125 people who like skateboards. A total of 35 people who do not like skateboards. All together, there are 160 people who were asked these questions or answered these questions. So this is one example of a two-way table. Here's another example of a two-way table. So of all the people asked, 40 people like football and are male. 22 people like basketball and are male. 15 people like baseball and are male. You'll notice that they forgot something right here. There should be a column that says total. Right there. And we can add all of these together, 40, 60, 77. There are a total of 77 males. Then we can look at the next column. There are 12 people who like football and are female. 16 people who like baseball and are female. 45 people who like that one's basketball. This is baseball and like females, and are females. And something like this is not saying you love football. This is if you had to choose one of these three things as like your favorite, what's your favorite sport to watch on television, you chose one of them. Okay. Again, there should have been a total over here. We can add them together. Let's see. This is a little bit harder mental math. 40, 50, 60, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. Total of 73 females. Then there are a total of 52 people who like football, a total of 38 people who like basketball, a total of 60 people who like baseball. To find this number right here in this corner, it should be the same number if you add 77 plus 73 as if you add 52 plus 38 plus 60. Those two should be the same number. So I can add 7 plus 3 is 0, carry the 1, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus the 1 is 15, 150. Should add this way also. 50, 60, 70, 80, 140, plus another 10 is 150. So there were 150 people total asked about their favorite sport to watch and if they are male or female.